this is super easy. It's going to be done in like 3 or 4 minutes. It just takes no time. We got some pasta, pesto, a little bit of onion, tomato, garlic, olives. Beautiful. Let's go. So super easy, this one. Pasta of your choice. I'm using this fusilli. Penne works well. Tagliatelle. Up to you. I've got here 2 tomatoes, cut nice and small. 1 onion, cut nice and small. I've got about 4 or 5 black olives there, taken the stones out and roughly chopped them. Some parsley chopped, nice tablespoon there of garlic chopped, and I've got some green pesto, about a tablespoon again. Olive oil, bit of salt and pepper, that's it. This is so easy. I love this one. Okay, so skillet or frying pan. In there I've got some olive oil, starting off with the onion. We're on a medium heat. We're going to get that garlic in now. Nice tablespoon of chopped garlic. Let's drop in those chopped olives, salt, black pepper, and then we're going to throw this around for 3 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes in. Are you ready? It's all going to happen right now. There goes the tomatoes. In goes our cooked pasta. In goes the fresh parsley. In goes the tablespoon of green pesto. We're going to mix this for 3 minutes and serve. It's so easy. Now, if you wanted some anchovies in there, if you wanted some chili flakes in there, if you wanted some Parmesan cheese, I'm happy just like this. Off goes the heat. That is done. Let me get that on a plate. Okay, so you're not going to get much easier than that. That is beautiful. Really delicate, lovely flavors in there. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thumbs up helps us out a great deal. Leave us a comment. We'd like to hear from you. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.